Why, your teammate is better than you! Crash into him! Show him who's the boss! It didn't go as planned. You know I'm Alex, but you can call me Alex Consistency Marquez. Waiting for the perfect moment to win my brother and... Hey, too much blah blah, not enough pass. You will never win like that. Sooner or later, I will be second again. It's just a matter of time until you crash and I recover my position. Let's reach top 5 positions. I found you, You can overtake me like that and run away. You will face the power of this squad. But I keep using my sharks instead of trying other things. I'm starting to get bored. Where is my brother? I wanna play. Oh no, no way! He can be close to me! This is my track, my second home! It looks like my pressure worked! And once again in second, Alex Consistency Marquez! Nothing better than a good challenge on this track!
For not making the sprint chapter.
But he just got married. Give him a break.
Nah, I don't care. He's lazy and red light and fail of the day goes to Marc Marquez. He was clever at the start and lost all his advantage by making that mistake and crashing.
That's all for today. And don't forget to leave a comment with your own lights on the relay.
See you at the next Grand Prix.
And this video wouldn't be possible without the support of our friends.